cease identifying with the mind and learn to be more identified with our true nature, which is what? Who we really are. Well, who am I? Who are we really? We are God being God as us. Well, what does that mean? That means that you in there, hello in there, you in there, who is aware of your thoughts, who is aware of your emotions, you are consciousness. That's who you are. You're not Justin, you're not John, you're not Jane, you're not Mary. You are you in there, consciousness. That is an expression of the consciousness of the one consciousness, spirit, right? That's who you are. Now, why is that important? That's important because now when you are in that awareness state, now you can watch those thoughts without getting sucked into those thoughts. How do you get sucked into those thoughts? Why did she say that to me? That's just not right. She needs to treat me with greater respect. You know, see what I'm saying? Now you're on a train of drama. As opposed to, okay, I see those thoughts going on in there. I'm not going to go there. Or I'm just going to feel that anger, that frustration, that sadness. But I'm not that sadness, so I can watch it. See, it's when we identify with it that we get in trouble. Oh, I'm so sad. Now you're the sadness. You're not the sadness. You're having an experience. Your heart is sad. What's the difference? The difference is you're the one watching it. You are much higher than the vibration of sadness and thinking. You understand that? You are the one in there. You're living in a higher dimension than your thoughts and your feelings. So yes, your heart may be feeling sadness. Your mind might be full of mishigash, to use a little Yiddish. But you are the one watching, or you can be. Thank you for watching. We upload new videos and content every week to inspire and empower you on your spiritual journey. We look forward to seeing you again soon.